Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by preparing and starting the upload. Capture or confirm a 360 equirectangular JPEG because Google Earth needs full sphere imagery to place correctly. Once prepared, sign into your Google account and enable Street View uploads and location permissions so the app can tag coordinates. Then open Google Earth, enable the Street View layer, and choose Upload or Import from Google Drive. Do this now so you have a live workspace. This is the step that turns files into geolocated content. Next, you focus on geotagging and alignment because placement determines usability. Use an EXIF editor or your camera app to add precise GPS coordinates. Aim for 5 to 10 meter accuracy so your image matches nearby panoramas. Once imported, place the photo on the map and rotate yaw and pitch to align horizons and doors. This makes transitions seamless. Then connect your panorama to an existing Street View path by creating linking nodes so viewers can navigate naturally. Finally, you finalize and publish. Preview the panorama, inspect stitching seams, and confirm metadata like timestamp, copyright, and GPS. Once satisfied, publish to Google Earth and monitor processing status. Make sure the image becomes visible in Street View and that navigation links work. If something goes wrong, here's a key tip. Re-export at a higher resolution and correct EXIF GPS coordinates before re-uploading. Processing errors often stem from low resolution or incorrect GPS, and re-uploading usually resolves visibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.